This is Excel making a drop down list, and here we will see how to make a drop down list in Excel sheets. So first of all, what is a drop down list? So sometime in the prepared sheet, when we are entering some data, we see in a box like this. Like this is, I made an example here, serial number, surname, city and state. The first name that I already entered is Mr. Mistry, city is Tulia and state is Maharashtra. So let's enter the second, and we will see like this, where already some surnames are already inserted. So let me take a Patel. A city is already inserted. Gandhinagar. State, the Gandhinagar is in Gujarat. So like this, we see this type of a drop down list in some districts. So how to make this list, we are going to see now. So let me take one blank sheet, and here I am going to make a small table here where the some employment list I am going to make. The first of all is our serial number. Second will be respect, which is nothing but the Mr., Mrs. and Miss. Third is a surname and name. Finally, a city with the state, education, then sometimes the course is also important, then passing year and university from where he completed his education. So first of all, the serial number is as it is, no need to put some, but the respect, for the respect we write Mr. or you can say Miss and Mrs. So no need to write it, we will make here a drop down list. So write it, these three things on some other columns. We can say we can put it on rows also, but I put it here in a column, the O, and the row is 1, 2, 3, where the Mr., Miss, Mrs. and Miss is written. So first of all, select the part where we want to put it and go to the data and the data validation. We are and then data validation. A data validation menu will open, so we can put here some settings. Allow the validation criteria, where we can when we open it, we will see the whole number, decimals, list, date, time, text, strength, and the customer. So first of all, we want to make a list. So select a list, a source, which is nothing but the from where the data will is taken. So what we where we put that, just go to this symbol. We just need to select it. Will automatically take the position of this our data. We can see here the O1 to the O3. Okay, now open it and okay. We can see here we made here a respect, which is nothing but a Mr., Miss and Mrs. First click, then the surname. Surname we also repeat data. So we will put some surname here also. Patel, Misri, Dobaria, and okay, it's enough for our tutorial. click here again the data, no, click the whole boxes where you want to put this validation, data validation. Then again settings, any value, select list tab because we want to make a drop down list. Then select where the our data is, so it is at the n1 to n3, and okay, we can see here the drop down list is already created. So we will take Patel